Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to show y'all my I just got this Glock 34. And I'm not really sure what to do with it. I was thinking of I guess kind of the purpose of what I intend to use this for, and I think this is more going to be for a home defense pistol, so like a bedside pistol, and also maybe a pistol for my battle belt, so kind of like a battle pistol setup. So I was thinking of going with the new Trichicon enclosed optic up here, and then going with the Surefire X300. But I don't know if you guys have any ideas of what I should put on this pistol. Let me know in the comments.